guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy if it's your first time here. Also, if it is your first time here and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for supporting me. So today I am giving you a new look with my locks. My locks, I believe, are now in the teenage stage. I don't think they're no longer baby locks anymore. I'm fully locked. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know, but I think I am entering the teenage stage here, okay? So, if you would like to see how I created this look with my locks, this is a half up and half down look that I just kind of, I don't know, pulled out of the hat. Getting ready to go to an event tonight, and I just wanted something new, something fresh. I wanted my hair out of my face. I feel like when my hair is out of my face, you can really see the structure of my cheekbones, and I just like my hair up, you know, because it just looks nice. I like I mean, who doesn't like looking good, right? So if you guys would like to see how I created this easy, I mean, it literally took me like 10 minutes to do. Keep on watching. So first, I'm going to start off by separating my hair in two sections. It's not going to be even. Most of the hair is going to be down in the back because I want it to still be full. Once I have the desired amount of hair separated, I'm going to take a hair tie to hold back the back portion of the hair that will be hanging down once the style is finished. And then I'm going to proceed to separate the top of the hair into 4 sections. I'm going to try to get each section as evenly as possible. If not, it's no big deal. Thanks to my diamond parting system, it's a lot easier to gather the hair evenly into a couple of rows in each section. So this is one of the reasons why I really was particular about my parting system before starting my hair, because I knew for styles, it would make styling a lot easier and it would look a lot neater. So as you can see, I'm just taking a rubber band and I am separating each section with a rubber band. Now I'm going to move on over to the other side of my hair and separate it in 2 sections as well. So as you can see, I have 4 sections total, 2 to 3 rows per section. Now I'm going to start by taking that first section apart, and I'm just going to create a flat twist. Next, I'm going to take a hairpin to secure the flat twist in place. Feel free to use as many as you need to because you don't want that flat twist to come undone. Be sure to notice which way I am twisting my hair. I'm twisting my hair away from my ear, so it's going up towards the middle of my head. It's important to know that because when I get on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing as well. Once all the twists are finished, they'll be going towards the middle of my head. Once all of the twists are completed, I'm going to take 2 twists from one side and roll them under and secure them with hairpins. And then I'm going to take the 2 twists from the other side and roll them inward as well. Keep securing the hair with hairpins until you get your desired shape and look. As you can see some of my hairpins in my hair, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to reposition those so they're not as obvious. So here's the back of my hair. I did go back and secure the back in a little bit more. I don't have any footage of that, but you can see it. Once you're finished, just remove the hair tie from the back of the hair that you held in place. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the finished look. As you can see, you can't really see those hairpins anymore. I really liked how this style came out. I just kind of winged it. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, please subscribe to my channel if you are not. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, peace and blessings to you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.